Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It is currently snowing outside and I'm at Walmart. We're ready to do some Walmart Ibotta deals. I am here pretty early, so I don't know what I have for a weekend warrior. I do have the buzzer bonus and I think I needed 20 or 24 rebates to hit that, which that will not happen today, but the weekend warrior for me is usually 15 rebates. But let's go inside and let's share with you some deals. I probably will not have a breakdown throughout this video because, again, I am extremely busy with Etsy orders and I have kids this week. So I will not have time to do the printable or printable breakdown or the breakdown throughout the video. Sorry about that. It's a lot of work for me, and I'm here to share with you guys some deals. So let's go shopping. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. Now my store is going through a remodel, so things are getting all over the place. Some of the stuff that I know where they were, they're not there. And then I actually found some stuff that my store finally carries in stock, so I was pretty excited with that. But it's just crazy because it's like they're moving everything around, and right now they're moving like all the feminine stuff and the makeup and everything, and it's just so crazy. But I'm just gonna dig in and share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the, sorry, I have a cold, so if my voice is all raspy, I'm getting over a cold. But I ended up getting the Vanity Fair napkins. Now these were $2.16. You pay $2.16, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.66. So they're decent napkins. I mean, I think they're pretty decent size for that size. Now, I have been looking everywhere in the store for these. My store has been sold out like crazy. I get to the store, like the whole feminine section is like gone, and I look on the top shelf and I see them there, and I'm like, sweet. Then what I do is I price check them with the Walmart app, and they actually rang up $3.82, and I'm just like, yes, yes. And they had 4 of them on the shelf, but I ended up grabbing 3. Now I'll explain to you why I did this. Now these were $3.82, and I only had 2 of the $2 off coupons on me. I scanned the coupons.com app, and there was no coupon that popped up. So if you pay for 2 of these, you guys would pay $3.64 if your store has it for that price. And then there's an Ibotta deal for $2 and $2 back. And then I had a Fetch Rewards deal where if you buy 2, you get 4,000 points, which is $4. Comes out to be a $4.36 moneymaker. Well, I had a deal where if I spent $9 more with Fetch Rewards, I had this spend 25 on Kotex, and I needed to spend $9 more to hit that deal, and I wasn't sure if it worked, so I ended up messaging the ladies that I went to Virginia with, saying, hey, do you guys know if this counts towards the spend 25, you get the 5,000 points? And nobody answered me by the time I left the store, so I'm like, we're just gonna chance it anyways. So I had 3 of these. I used 2 of the coupons. I had, like I said, I didn't have a 3rd coupon with me, so I paid $7.46 for this. But there is a limit of 3, I think, with Ibotta, so I got $6 back with Ibotta, and I got that 4,000 off of 2. But unfortunately, the spend 25, get 5 does not work for the Poise 1. So it was a loss, but I still made a $2.54 moneymaker buying these 3 anyways. So I'm like, we're still gonna do it. We're still gonna do it anyways. But just in case you guys don't know, these do not count for the spend 25 because I just needed to spend $9 to get $5, and I thought that would have been a great moneymaker, but it did not work, and that is okay. It still came out to be free, and I got an extra item anyways. So I've been looking for these at my store. My store has been sold out of this stuff, or they never carried this forever. Well, I finally found some in my store. When they had this deal like last week or the week before, they had it where you could buy 2 of them, you get money. Well, they changed it on me, and it was a limit of 1, and I did not realize that until after I submitted my receipt. But that is okay because it still comes out to be a good, decent deal. So these are $5.27, and I had a 5 off of 2 from the P&G that we got, a 5 off of 2, so you pay $5.54. But then there's only a $1 $2.50 rebate for this, making this $3.04 or just $1.52 each. So I messed up and they changed it on me since the last time I checked, but that is okay. Mistakes happen. Everybody learns. So I was just trying to get some rebates because this month I think is a slow month for Ibotta. It's the end of the month, which is okay too, because I'm hoping April is just as awesome. But I ended up just getting this Dunkin' drink. I got the caramel, or the coconut caramel, the Girl Scout flavor. My husband likes this stuff. So these were just $2.38, and there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. So you would end up just getting this for $1.88. So I just got it for him. He likes drinking that stuff, so I got that. Now there is a deal, and I will have the link below for you guys. But there is a text deal. Now, I did this text deal a couple weeks ago with the Kill Cliff. I don't have one at my desk, no. And I only got $4.44 back or something like that. I don't know why, but I didn't get my full amount. A couple days ago, I got an email saying, thank you for your receipt submission. I never submitted my receipt. And then I got another text message saying it's a limit 1 per phone number. And I'm like, I never submitted my receipt. Well, then last night I got a message from PayPal that this company, I got $1.84 or something like that. So I don't know if that's for the rest of the Kill Cliff, but make sure you guys are checking out your accounts because I'm like, I don't know what that's from. But I did get this. Now this is something I've been eating. I eat every single day. Is a peanut butter bagel. But there is probably a freebie that you can do. There's actually a Walmart Ibotta deal that you could do with the croissants. I bought the croissants before and nobody in my family ate them. So I'm like, I'm not buying them because it's just a waste of money. So I got these anyway. So these were $3.18. Now there is a deal where you can get up to May 24th. You text this deal and you buy the product and then they will send you $3 back, either Venmo or PayPal. You choose what you want. I choose PayPal. So I paid $3.18 for this, but then they'll send me $3 back when I submitted my receipt. So this actually came out to be 18 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I will have that in the link below that you guys can join it. But it's pretty easy. You just buy the product, make sure you get what it says, and then they send you the money a couple days later. Now my store finally got this toothpaste in stock. They didn't have the other stuff, but they had this one. This was $6.97. I used a $3 off insert coupon from our P&G. You would pay $3.97, but then there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. So it's a great, great deal. And I need to probably use something like that. Okay. I got 2 more deals to share with you. I hate having a cold. Medicine does not help. Okay, so I ended up getting 2 packs of these because my husband really likes them. So the Pepsi mini cans were $2.98. You'd pay $2.98 for it. But then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.98 or 33 cents a can. So I bought 2 of them because I'm like, that's just a pretty decent deal. So got that. And then the last deal I got was the Velveeta. Now, there's 2 different ways to do this if you guys want. Okay, I got 2 Velveetas and 1 Kraft Deluxe. So, these were $3.43. We have 2 different coupons. We have a $1.50 off of 2, or we have a 3 off of 3. And I'm like, we're going to do the 3 off of 3. So, if you guys do the 3 off of 3, you're going to pay $7.29 for the 3 of these. But you get 75 cents back with this one, 75 cents and 75 cents. So that's like $3 or $2.25. You get back, and then there's a checkout 51 deal where if you get $1 off of 2, making your final price just $4.04 or $1.34 a box, which is a pretty decent deal. But if you guys just want to buy the 2, the Velveeta and the Kraft, these are 2 different rebates. So I would definitely recommend doing this if you guys are trying to do the rebates. But again, $3.43, you want to use that $1.50 off of 2. You would pay $5.36, but then you get 75 cents back and 75 cents back. That's $1.50, and then you get that $1 off of 2 rebate with checkout 51. Comes out to be $2.86 or $1.43. So a little bit cheaper if you want to buy the 3 boxes, but it's all up to you guys. I just did it because I wanted to show you guys both scenarios, and prices just keep going up. It is crazy. But anyways, my total came to $37.94. I avoided my favorite cashier again this week, so I didn't have to deal with her. So that was nice. But with Ibotta, I needed 18 rebates for the Weekend Warrior, and I needed 24 rebates for the Buzzer, which I did not hit either. But I did receive $16.75 back with Ibotta. Fetch rewards, I received 4,206 points, which is $4.20 points, or $4.20. I check out 51, I just received $1. And then I will be getting a $3 text to my PayPal for the Thomas deal. My grand total came to $12.99 for 14 items at just 92 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty decent deal. So I was happy with what I got. I wish I could get more, but I think it's kind of slow with Ibotta right now. And I was debating on doing a haul today or not, because I am super swamped with Etsy orders. I have like 10 I have to ship out, and they take me a little bit to do, and I'm just crazy busy. So sorry for not having the breakdowns for you guys, but it's a small haul. If it was like an awesome haul, I probably would have it, but right now it's a small haul. But please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. See you later. Bye-bye.